right, we bought this paint kit. A little skeptical, reviews were great. To paint countertops. It's made by Giani. We picked it up. All we're doing is a primer. Make sure your prep work is good. You didn't have to sand this, but it does say clean it with an SOS pad. Make sure your countertops are level. You do that, you put this one on, and it's like a primer. I think it's the paint also. So it says marble, but down here it says white base primer. We prepped it, because if you get it anywhere, it's not gonna be good, like that. So we taped it from underneath, and now we're rolling it 2 coats. So it's gonna take 2 coats, it's going on pretty thick. This is a pretty good sized kitchen. I thought we were gonna have enough because they only gave us a quart of that, but it's definitely gonna cover where I need to. And we didn't have to replace this, so for 200 bucks, it's worth a shot, and the reviews are good. So we're gonna go with it. I'll keep recording little bits as we keep going. And it does come with, if anybody asks, we got this sponge. It came with epoxy resin. I think there was 3 of these jars. So you got 3 of those jars. You got marble, you got 2 of those, and you got an epoxy activator. You got 3 of those for 200 bucks. And I think it's gonna be enough for this whole kitchen. We were gonna tear it all out, but we're gonna see how this works out. And it would have cost me probably 5 to 6 grand with me just doing the work myself to put these in. But for 200 bucks, we're gonna give it a go. And I think it's good because people say it holds up for a long time. All right, so let's keep watching as this continues. Got all these painted with the first coat, and I still have a half a bucket of this little quart. Mixer. Make sure there's no dust on it. There you go. Ready?
Yep.
Start rolling, Junior. Should we do a little bit at a time or good?
Besides that, never worry about it.